Good afternoon. So this is a brief overview of the HR module. So if you click on the Human Resource tab, it will take you to the dashboard where you can see total numbers of employees that you have on the system, total department, pending leave, active training, and all the. And if you go down, you can see the graph for the distribution of the male and female distribution of the total staff you have. There are other menu down. If you go down, you can see upcoming birthdays for your staff, the recent hire, the recent staff that have joined in the last 90 days, and staff salary statistics. So you can get all this in dashboard. So if you click on this menu, you see all the various sub menu under HR. So the first one is staff list. So this staff list will give you all the list of staff that we currently have on the system. And so if you want to create a new staff, you use this button to create a new staff. Click on it. This form will come up for you to fill. So once you finish filling this information, you can save. Next, if you want to view the staff, you can view the staff from here. All the other additional information that are not here are already embedded on the barcode. So you can print if you want to print the staff information, or you close. So if you want to edit, click on this button, the first button to edit. This form will come up for you to edit the staff information and save. The next menu is leave. This is where you manage leave for every staff. Let me go back to the dashboard. From the dashboard here, every staff have access to apply for leave using this menu. So since all staff they have access to the dashboard, they can access this menu and apply for leave. And then the HR, from the HR module, when he accesses the leave module, you will see all the leave applications pending here. So you can either request for a leave in case the staff did not do. You can also do it on behalf of the staff. Choose the leave type, select the start date. Let's see if I'm starting on the 9th to, let's say I want to take a 1 day sick leave, and put the reason for the leave application. Select your line manager. So you select your line manager and then you save. So once you save, it will be here. Then for the HR manager, you can either approve or reject the leave application, and it will reflect back to the staff dashboard on the status of the leave. So you can see all the particulars here before you click on approve or reject. The next menu is training. You want to track all the various training done by staff. So this way, if you want to add a training topic, you can add a training topic for me. Let me say human capacity development training. So this is the training topic. So I can put the description here and see if you can add as many topics as you want. So when I want to now add training, I'll come to this button and click on add training. Training topic. So this is the one I just added now. Or if it's MPR, I'll click on the due date. Then if it is the same date, I click and then you put the description or notes. And this way you now select all the staff that will be attending the training. After that, you click on save training. Okay, I'm not saving this for now. So the next one is appraiser. So from this appraiser menu, if you want to add a new appraiser, you can select the staff, put the description notes or staff comment. Maybe in your case, this a staff is appraising himself, then send to the line manager. So this is where you now pick the KPI, communication skill 1, quality of work. So as you are picking it, it's giving a total score for that staff. If you want to add more KPI or edit anyone, you go back to this menu, click on manage KPI. So these are all the various KPI. If you want to edit anyone, you can edit from here. If you want to add, you can use this button to add a new KPI. Okay. So that's for appraiser. The next one is for payroll. So this is where you manage your payroll. If you want to edit any of the payroll, first if you want to add allowances and deduction parameters, you click on these allowances. So from here you can see all the various allowances and assistant health transport allowance, housing allowance, other allowance, and then deduction you have PE, penalty, and other deductions. So whichever, if you want to add more, you can use this button to add. Use allowance, put the allowance heading, let's see housing allowance, put the description and save. Okay, so when you are now updating your payroll, you click on edit. So this form will come up. So this is where you now put your basic salary. Your basic salary is I say it's 90,000. Your transport allowance is 30,000. Housing allowance 20,000. Another allowance, I say 60,000. Okay, so yeah, this is where you put your PE. Let's say you're paying 4,000. The penalty, if the person has defaulted for that month, you put penalty, and then other deduction, let's say staff contribution or any other deduction that you have on the facility, you can put. After that, you get your, as you are putting it, to give you the total gross pay, total allowance, total deduction, and then the net pay. If you want to save, you can click on save payroll. Yes, save payroll has been saved successfully. So once, if you refresh the page, it will reflect the new amount. And if you want to print payslip, you can click on this print to give you all the various allowances, various deductions, and then the basic salary, gross pay, and the net pay. You can now print slip from here. Okay, that will be there for the HR module. Should you have any questions, you can ask. I'll give you more description.